Hey yarn besties, I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a yarn bestie, do yourself a favor and click that subscribe button so you get access to more content. So the purpose of this video is to basically give a great big thank you to all of you, my subscribers, and to my viewers who have supported me throughout my entire venture on YouTube. Now, I started this YouTube journey over a year ago. Actually, it was on February 13th, which was the day before Valentine's Day of 2025. And it was right around that time when Joann's was shutting down. So my first video was about introducing myself and to talk about Joann's closing down. So I am thankful and grateful for all of your support and love and words of encouragement, critiques, words of wisdom, your vast amount of experience that you have given on to me, which I have taken to heart. So thank you very much for that. So now, who inspired me to start my YouTube channel? Now, there were a couple of creators who actually influenced me and inspired me to start my YouTube channel. So I'm going to read this off and in no particular order. And I have my notes in front of me, so if I look down a little bit, I apologize for that. So the first person I want to thank is Tony from TL Yarn Crafts. Now, she is fantastic, and she just recently got her 1 million subscribers, which is a great accomplishment. So thank you. Congratulations, Tony, on that. And I hope your channel grows even more. And next is Elise from Elise Rose Crochet. Now, I took her advice to heart whenever it was one of her videos she did over a year or so ago, where she said that there could be a bunch of YouTube channels to talk about crochet and the fiber arts, but the only thing that they don't have is you. So, and I took that very much to heart. So that's why all of our channels are unique, because all of those channels don't have you. So at least thank you for that advice, and I still use it to this day. So thank you very much. Next would be Glenda from Creative Grandma. Now, I've made a lot of her projects from her tutorials, and I love her tutorials. They're easy, simple to follow. They're great projects to work up. I get inspiration from her all the time as far as my projects are concerned, or if I just want to do a project that she has done. So, Glenda, thank you very much for your inspiration to start the channel. And next is Crystal from Bag O' Day Crochet. Now, I worked some of her projects too, and I think she's amazing individual. So, and I heard recently that she was having medical issues. So, Crystal, I hope you feel better. I'm sending a lot of positive energies your way, a lot of positive and healing energies your way. So, quick recovery. All right. And then finally, Matt from Gilded Loop Crochet. Now, he's also a Buckeye like myself. Now, I am going to congratulate him because he achieved something that I think a lot of YouTubers don't achieve, is to get over 6,000 subscribers in over a little over a year. So that is fantastic on his part. So Matt, whatever you're doing, keep it up, and maybe you can rub some of that on to me. Wink, wink. Anyway, I want to thank all of y'all for your inspiration and your guidance, and for y'all laying the foundation and the road work for all of us fiber artists out there. So I wish all of you great success, great prosperity, and future channel growth. All right, so I just thought I would owe a shout outs to everyone, and to give a great thank you to everyone who supported me throughout my venture. And I hope to get more support and get more subscribers, more viewers, so that way my channel can grow as well. All right. So hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. I'm gonna spread love and not hate. Help each other out, love each other, be there for one another, pay it forward if possible. Don't judge a book by its cover. Love yourself, be true to yourself, and don't let anyone deter you from your true path, no matter what they say. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. And crochet and knitting and fiber arts is a great way to improve your overall mental health. Again, this is a personal prescription from me to you. All right? So, on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.